Hello and welcome to another Product PIREP from Sporty's Pilot Shop. Today we are going to talk about the Flight Gear Backup Battery. This is a great battery for anyone who uses electronic devices, aka a lot of pilots. This battery is rated for 10,000 milliamp hours, so it's got enough juice to take care of typical phones or smartphones for almost 2 full charges. I like to equate it to maybe if it's a 0 to 100, you're not going to get 2 full iterations out of it. But let's say you do get down to that lower setting when you're getting the indication of 10% left, this will get you back up or close to 100 a full 2 times. As phones continue to grow larger and require more juice, more processing power, again, it's going to get a little bit less, but by today's standards, 2 full charges on a phone, so you know it's going to do a lot while you're flying around or off the ground. I think one of the best features about the Flight Gear Backup Battery is it gives you 5 different options on how you can deliver juice to your devices. So let's jump through what those options are and how you can use them best. The first 2 are the most common, which are ports on the top of the backup battery. We have a USB-A port, which is the most common power out port you're going to find on chargers, wall plugs, backup batteries, all the sort. We also have a USB-C port. So recently, Apple started shipping a USB-C to Lightning cable for some of their devices. They also now ship a USB-C to USB-C cable for some of their newer phones or tablets. This port will be able to provide for those devices and also those cables. This is also the port so that you can charge the battery. It's going to come with a USB-A to USB-C cable. You plug the USB-A end into the wall or one of those wall chargers you've got, and then you plug the other end here, and it will recharge the device after you've used it to depletion. Okay, so let's say you've packed this battery for a trip, you were rushed, and you forgot to throw cables in your bag. Well, we built cables into the backup battery also. It has the popular iPhone Lightning cable included, so that applies to a lot of iPhones out on the market, anything prior to the iPhone 15, and a lot of iPads or tablets. It will work with older Pros, some of the earlier iPad iterations, and is exclusively for Apple products, but the Lightning cable is included and will offer the standard charging rate. Let's say you have a newer device. Maybe you're in the Android family. Maybe you have the iPad mini 6, you have the brand new iPhone 15, you have the USB-C cable. So this cable will be able to charge those devices. It also has power delivery, so it can hit the higher speeds that's needed by some devices. It also goes in the lower range, so it'll work with devices that don't have power delivery and make sure it has a wide range of devices it'll work with. It also works with quite a few aviation-centric products. So think of the PJ2 Plus, the L6Com radio, the Sentry family of devices, the Stratus, or other backup batteries. It's going to be able to plug into those, offer a charge when you need it, and not need you to plug into your aircraft, plug into a wall outlet. It brings the cables to you. All right, so we've covered 4 different ways to use this charger to power a device. The 5th and final option is wireless charging. This is actually a new type of technology of offering juice to devices within the last few years. Starting with the iPhone 8, you could wirelessly charge that device if you got it on the right spot of a charging pad. It was a little finicky and sometimes difficult to align. So what Apple rolled out was MagSafe charging. Basically, it includes magnets to align with an iPhone, make sure it sits in the perfect spot, and allows you to apply a quicker speed of charging your device. Apple has set the standard for 15 watts of how fast wireless charging needs to be that premium setting. We made sure this could do 15 watts. So it's going to work with iPhones 8 all the way up to the 15 charging wirelessly. It also has the MagSafe feature, which is for iPhone 12s and above. And any other devices that charge wirelessly, think of AirPods, things of that sort, this will take care of them. Rounding out the feature set for the Flight Gear Backup Battery, we also have a percentage indicator on the side. So you're not trying to figure out, has it been plugged in, has it not? Did I deplete it all the way? Is there a little bit left? You quickly get a percentage readout that will tell you how much juice is left in this battery and if you need to plug it in or if it's good to go. Flight Gear Backup Battery is available exclusively at Sporty's Pilot Shop. You can find more information on our website. And if you pick one of these up, we hope you greatly enjoy it. We thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.